So from time to time, all of us have probably gotten a hold of some very shaky footage and wish there was something we could do about it. Let's hit home and take a look at the beginning of this clip. Play through it, and you can see in the record monitor over here that this footage is probably handheld and a little shaky. We'd like to make it look like it was on a tripod. There's two choices for us, the region stabilize and the stabilize mode. Let's give stabilize a shot. So we'll just drag it from our effects tab in the project window and drop it right onto the effect, and it instantly starts to analyze the clip. You'll see all those little dots moving around. It's analyzing, and it's ready to go. Just go back someplace near the beginning and hit play. And you see it does a pretty good job. You see a little bit of black up at the top as we move through the clip. But other than that, the stabilization is pretty good. So that's that method of stabilizing a shot. Let's try another one. We'll delete the effect off of here. Go back to our project window, and instead of using stabilize, we'll use region stabilize. Just drag that on there and drop it. Now here's our effect editor. Gives us some options, and we're going to choose some of those options. The way stabilize works is it basically locks the pixels into an exact spot on the frame, but what that means sometimes is that you'll see black edges at the top or bottom. So what you want to do is add auto zoom, and that automatically zooms in on the image enough so that we don't get black edges on the outside. We don't have a progressive source, so I'm not going to choose progressive. And the region of interest, what that is it's a spot on the screen that remains fixed that you know shouldn't move. You don't want this to be somebody's arms or hands or even somebody's eyes, because if they look around, even if the camera is remaining steady, it will actually track their eye position. We don't want that to happen. So his feet don't move at all. So I'm going to take this region of interest, this little purple box, and I'm going to change the shape of the purple box. So all it really shows me are his feet. So I'm going to go down like that, to the right like that, and we'll move the top down as well. So now basically I'm asking the Avid to analyze this little section and stabilize it so that spot doesn't move. And to do that, all we have to do is hit the render button. And OK. And with the render completed, let's watch it. Man, it seems like a different shot. That's pretty impressive. Very stable. And so that's image and shot stabilization in the Avid.